Microsoft Azure is a cloud-based computing platform that stands out against the rest. It's a customizable, secure, and easy-to-use platform. Azure is easy to set up and comes with tutorials that can teach you the ins and outs of the platform. Another benefit is that you can also manage your subscriptions as your company grows, and it'll fit your needs without overspending. From the home page, you're able to see links to your virtual machines, your users, storage, and apps that you have or that you can also download. Azure gives customers the opportunity to save both time and money by letting Azure take care of the complicated things that come along with starting a business in today's day and age of technology. One example of this would be the ease of setting up your own virtual machine. A virtual machine is both necessary and helpful in today's business world because it allows you to actually have software that's separate from your actual computer. Simply just click virtual machine. When you're on the home page, click virtual machine. Click the plus at the middle top right, and Azure will actually take care of laying out the simple steps to creating your own from your own personal laptop. And the benefit of this is that a virtual machine can actually run separate applications and software like it's on another desktop from your laptop.
Now, let's talk pricing. This cloud-based system doesn't have any fixed costs for their usage components. Beyond the free account with initial signup, Microsoft Azure offers a pay for what you use each month pricing. This makes it hard to give you an exact price tag on the product. However, the variable cost means that the Azure platform is what you make of it. What the Azure pricing webpage does have for you is the ability to estimate your spending with their cost calculator and their total cost of ownership, also known as TCO calculator. The cost calculator gives you the ability to estimate what you would be spending based on the services you would need. The TCO calculator enables you to see how much you would be saving by switching from the in-person fixed cost departments to the Azure cloud-based system. There's no need for the hassle of going to the IT department with all of your answers anymore. Azure also offers a support plan that offers around-the-clock assistance to overcome problems. The pricing for this service ranges from $29 per month to $1,000 per month, depending on your needed response time and complexity of businesses being ran from Azure. Not quite sold yet? Need some hands-on experiences before switching from on-premise to cloud deployment? Luckily, Microsoft offers free $200 credit to your account for the first 30 days to see if Azure is the right fit for you. What are you waiting for? Sign up today.
Within Microsoft Azure, there are 3 different forms of services that can be used. You have PaaS, which is a platform as a service. You have SaaS, which is software as a service, and IaaS, which is an infrastructure as a service. These are all contained within Microsoft Azure, and one of the things I want to talk about within the Microsoft Azure portal is the resource tabs. Here you can see I'm going to click on Add Resources. You can see a list of items that your company can choose from and implement. You can create web apps, which is a computer program that uses web browsers to perform tasks over the internet. You can create SQL databases, which help maximize your company's performance. You can create storage accounts, which contain queues, which are storages of large amounts of messages, blobs, stores unstructured data, files, public cloud files, and so forth. Obviously, these are the main things in Microsoft Azure resources, and you can see that there are much more things to choose from. Took a little time, I showed you the more commonly used resources within Microsoft Azure, and you can scroll and look up along this left-hand side that there's much more that your company can apply to your business.
Both Azure and AWS offer similar infrastructure as a service capabilities for virtual machines, networking, and storage. However, Azure provides stronger platform as a service capabilities, which is an important piece of cloud infrastructure today. Microsoft Azure Platform as a Service provides application developers with the environment, tools, and building blocks that they need to rapidly build and deploy new cloud services. It also provides the vital DevOps connections, which are important for monitoring, managing, and continually fine-tuning those apps. With Azure Platform as a Service, much of the infrastructure management is taken care of behind the scenes by Microsoft. Microsoft Azure isn't necessarily marketed for a certain business type. Although 95% of Fortune 500 companies use Azure, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's only for big businesses. Azure is actually targeted at every kind of business, large or small. It offers the ability to easily scale up or down to your individual business needs, so you aren't paying any more than you have to for the services you need. Azure is a perfect choice for businesses that have hardware that's reaching the end of its life, if you need to store sensitive data long-term for compliance, if you need to cut your IT budget, if your needs outgrow your current infrastructure, or simply if your employees need easy but secure access to data while on the road. Microsoft Azure can help with all of that and more.